It is falling. It is the end of the world. And I never got to see Mariah Carey live. So at least that's one thing.
Marion, you fool, run!
On my father's kidneys. You saved my life.
Oh, designated fire warden, Marion. It's what we do.
You're our hero, Nelson.
Well, we're just lucky this large, dry, teepee-shaped wooden shelter filled with kindling suddenly appeared in the garden. Quick register. Alison. Benjamin.
Here we go, kids. Happy Bonfire Night.
Ah! Fire! 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 Nelson, it's okay. You're having a bad dream.
Ah, you're right. Just a dream. Just a dream.
About something that actually happened.
Oh, yeah. Robert Mugabe, those poor animals.
My friend, you have to get over this. It was so very, 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 very long ago. Coincidentally, 1 year to this day.